In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with your PDF documents using Microsoft Copilot. So on my Microsoft Edge browser, and I'm going to go ahead and search for copilot.microsoft.com, and it's going to open up to me. All right, so you can make sure that you are logged in. So you can always come to this plus sign. You can add files directly in here, or alternatively, you can drag and drop them. Assuming I have this, I want to just select any two and then drag and drop them. So let's say I have questions to chat with these two PDFs that I have uploaded. Can you give me three key takeaways from these two papers uploaded? So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on enter to this, and let's see what this is going to give me. Okay, so here are three key takeaways that stands out from the two uploaded research paper. So the first one, you can see this, second one, you can see this, and the third one, you can see. So you can make it side by side comparison table for the two. And if you want, you can do that, or you can say explain paper. So it's going to go through the document and fish out to go on. You can see it illustrates particle size distribution curve for fine aggregate used in the mixed concrete. So you can see the details of it, clear explanations of what it means. So I can say, can you It's going to go through the paper and it's going to give me a quick summary. Materials and make constituents, rice husk ash replacement, specimen preparation, testing procedure, experimental design, and so on. And then at the end, it gave us this quick summary. So that is actually how to go about chatting with a PDF completely free of charge using Microsoft Copilot. You can refer to any section of the PDF document. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.